So, hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So, before I start, a very happy new year to all of you from the Concept family. Okay, so let's see how market is behaving after the new year. So, if we see SGX right now, so it's trading almost 40 points down and it's around 18,170, right? Okay, now let's see what's happening in Nifty as of now. Okay, so if you see the technical charts on a daily time frame, it's simple. If you just plot some lines on this, so we can see that this was a major support that we had. Okay, so 18,100 was a good support. Market just fell below this and then again came up. So this is a very crucial level for the market. Market gave a breakout above this and then again taking support from this. So this is a good reversal point for the market, right? Okay, and again market went up till 18,000, almost 200, right? Okay. Now, the question is, we need to see how the built-up data is actually, happening in the Nifty as of now. If we clearly see from in the last month, actually, we have seen a good short and short covering cycle. We had an expiry recently. So because of that, market might take some days to give you a fresh data on the built-up. So as of now, no clear sign, as we can see that, we had a short and short covering cycle, but in the last session, we have seen a built-up coming up, long built-up coming up in the Nifty. And now talking about the OI as of now, from the option chain, 18,200 is the immediate resistance that we are facing. You can see that there's a good addition happening on this call option. Around 50 lakh shares has been added in the previous session. And after that, you can see across all the major strike prices, we have seen a good addition, right? On the lower side, if you see 18,100 added a good, put side, okay. And as of now, looking at the chart, 18,000 shows a good support for the market, right? And we cannot see any strike major than this. So then we have a 17,500 also, right? Okay. So talking about the very short-term view, we have 18,200 on the higher side. And on the lower side, we have 18,000 as a good support. So any breakout above these levels, market might show you move, right? Okay. Now talking about the Bank Nifty, first of all, see what's happening in the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty looks pretty fine. We have seen PSU banks moving up, private banks are performing better, right? So we have a good move in Bank Nifty recently. And after this breakout, again, same thing happening, and market took support exactly at the point where we had a previous resistance, and it shows a good bounce back, right? Okay. So market might be targeting the on the higher side above like 44,000 again. So any breakout above that level might see a good upside move, right? I'm talking about Bank Nifty again. So if you see, not a single shot since long, almost like since November, right? We don't have a single shot. So that means all the profit booking was going on, and then market just started coming up with a short covering move as of now. So we just need again a built up data from long built up data in Bank Nifty also. So probably we'll have a better upside move, right? Okay. Now talking about Bank Nifty specifically. So if you see, it's almost a same level of open interest happening, 43,000 call and put, right? So it's almost equal. So you can see that straddles are in position. Okay. And if you see premiums is very fine. It's almost 350 and 337, right? Okay. So that's almost, we are covering 700 points range from this level, right? Okay. So looks like better position as of now. On the higher side, if you see the highest open interest after these two call and put option, we have 43,500, and on the lower side, we have 42,500. So this might be a expanded range that we are talking about, right? Okay, now if we just expand our view, we can see that what could be the writing levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for today specifically. So going with the Quansa forecast as of now, so for intraday, I would suggest, right, probably the situation might change once market will open. But as of now, if you see, it's suggesting me to write a triangle of 43,200 and 43,100. Situation might change. So if we go and see it after a market open, so might be a different level, but suggesting that it's a good level to write. Now in Nifty, so it's 18,200, so almost a straddle we can write, okay, based on the current movement happening in the Nifty, right? Okay. So now I'm talking about the other thing. Let's see. Okay. So okay. So let's see the index contribution happening. So if we see, okay, so last trading session, okay, so majorly Reliance for the contributor, and then Kotak Mahindra Bank and Bajaj Finance. Negative side, we have ICICI Bank, HDFC, and HDFC Bank, right? Now, let's talk about some stocks which might perform and looks like they have a proper data as of now. So we'll again go and find something in the built up. So if we see on the long side, now if you see the data is quite good for a lot of stocks as of now. If you see RBL Bank looks fine. So we don't have any shorts in the last 20 days. And RBL Bank showing a good positive built up data here. So okay. So RBL has given a breakout from these levels. You can see that, right? So once 173, 175 levels were good. And after that, it gives you a breakout. And it made a high of 186, right? Almost. Now, talking about the data in the RBL Bank. So you see from even in from 20th November, we don't have a single short in this stock, and the stock is continuously showing a good cycle of long unwinding, and few short covering is in between also. Now, talking about how to trade it now. So RBL Bank, okay, so it is trading near the 180 call option, right? You can see that. So that's the immediate highest call option, and after that we have a 190 as a resistance, which has a highest call option. So probably if the stock breaks 180, we can see again the stock is approaching towards 185 and 190 level. And even after that, above that, because the stock has shown a good breakout. Okay. Even though if the stock corrects around 175, we can still look for good buying opportunities. And after that, 170 would be a good support for the RBL Bank, right? And then if you talk about another stock, so okay, let's take one shot from the short side. So if we see, we're just finding a stock which is actually trading in a short covering market. So Bharti Airtel looks fine as of now. So Bharti Airtel has a negative sign. Okay, so the stock trend looks weak as of now because it's following a short covering cycle. So as of now, we can see 810 or 800 is a good support for the Bharti Airtel as of now, right? Okay, so Bharti Airtel has a clear-cut short covering cycle. In the previous days, again, I did a short, so it's a negative trend. Okay. Now talking about Bharti Airtel, so 800, you can see that's a good support for the stock. So stock breaks below this, we can see a further depth. Okay, 820 would be working as a good resistance in the Bharti Airtel. Okay. Now if you see ban list as of now, so no stock trading in a ban list as of now, right? Okay. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care and happy trading year. Thank you so much.